Building Stronger Bonds, CRM Strategies for Enhanced Customer Loyalty. Part 1, CRM Basics, Understanding the Tools and Benefits. Welcome to Building Stronger Bonds, CRM Strategies for Enhanced Customer Loyalty. In today's episode, we're diving into CRM Basics, what it is, why it's essential for building customer loyalty, and which tools can help you streamline those all-important relationships. So what exactly is CRM? CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is more than just a software tool. It's a strategy focused on understanding, connecting, and supporting your customers at every stage of their journey. By keeping track of interactions, purchases, preferences, and feedback, CRM helps businesses like yours create tailored experiences that make customers feel valued. In a world full of choices, customer loyalty is a huge asset. Using a CRM tool isn't just about data collection, it's about creating personalized customer experiences. Businesses that invest in CRM systems often see better retention rates, higher customer satisfaction, and more repeat sales. There are several CRM tools out there, each with unique features, from well-known platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot to smaller niche solutions. The options are vast. Some CRMs focus on sales management, while others are perfect for customer service or marketing automation. It's all about finding the right fit for your business needs. Now's a great time to think about how your business manages customer relationships. Are you leveraging a CRM system? If not, it might be time to consider it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights, and in our next episode, we'll be exploring how to choose the right CRM for your business. See you soon. Thanks for watching Building Stronger Bonds, CRM Strategies for Enhanced Customer Loyalty. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make smarter, data-driven choices that grow your business.